video from Parakeet Budgie house with another video. Remember the long beak? Because of her long beak, she couldn't be fed properly by the male right there. In that video there, the part there, you could see he's feeding her with no problem. I'm gonna post a link on the previous video on how we cut her beak. That way you understand better what she went through. She repeatedly keeps on feeding her with no issue there. It don't seem to be a problem at all. And the problem was she couldn't feed the babies once hatched. They used to die. Until I found out something was wrong. And I saw that long beak. And it needed to be cut. We did it, it came out good and all that. But now we needed a follow-up on her. From the beginning to the end on her clutch. She's probably going into a clutch now on box number 30 right there in front of us. These two been together for a little bit. They just haven't gotten the opportunity to make a family because of her issues. But now she seems fine and ready to go. A lady wanted to buy her from me, and I couldn't sell her. Special birds I like to keep and take care of them. She has a couple of eggs in the box, and I did check them, and the eggs look fine, and they're about to hatch now. Yeah, she is in her final days of hatching. There she is, waiting, calm. A couple of days later, I went to the aviary, check on her, and she was doing good. Eggs were fine. And there you go. And that moment came, she hatched, finally. 2 budgies. I did check their bellies and they look like they did first, so that's good news, guys. That's a positive right there. So, like the videos and subscribe if you haven't.